with a speed run. This is my first time doing it, and honestly, it was really easy.
Yeah. We're about to wrap last scene of the day, and we're about to.
For this month, my workouts will always start with a speed run. This is my first time doing it, and honestly, it was really easy. And Tate McRae made it better. Okay, so today I did my first speed run, and I'm eating. Usually I wait till like 8 o'clock to eat my meal, but after the speed run, I think, and weightlifting, I think it's important that I eat immediately after. It's just a salad with potatoes, tomatoes, onions, and black beans. Alright, I'm gonna eat this, watch TV, edit, so on and so forth. See you guys at home. Doing the dishes. I have to eat something. I did some of the dishes. I uploaded a short. I uploaded my YouTube video. I also uploaded an Instagram reel. And now I'm changing and I'm finally gonna eat. It's 3:10, which I'm still making some good time. I am starving, like starving. I'm so lazy. I do not feel like cooking because a girl is hungry. Okay, let's go cook. I'm gonna snack on this Mount Mary trail mix while I'm figuring out what to eat because I'm starving. Nothing much to say. It's just trail mix. I'm starving, so whatever. Sauteed some sweet potato and regular potatoes. I'm putting that in here. I have some rice going. I'm just gonna cook it down. Okay, so the rice is done. I'm gonna put that in Tupperware, and then I'm gonna clean this pot, and then I'm gonna make a pasta salad. I have some broccoli and some zucchini that I'm gonna make in a pasta salad. A lot of cooking on a Tuesday. Get to it. Forgot that I had some salmon that I defrosted yesterday. So I have to cook that today. So I'm pan frying that. There's two, so I might honestly just have both of those tonight. And then the water's boiling. I'm cutting up some onions and the zucchini for the pasta salad. Everything else is in the oven. So I'm gonna eat some of the fish and some rice while I wait for the rest of the stuff to get ready. I already tasted the fish. It's lightly smoked, so a little bit fishier than I'm used to, but it's actually really good. Try it. I'm just waiting for everything to get cooked, and I'm done. It's a plant-based mayo. broccoli, I cleaned it with vinegar, which, and the zucchini with vinegar. So it's zucchini, pasta, red onions, and broccoli. Also, I threw away the other salmon. My stomach did not like it. So it was lightly smoked, it said, but it just tasted so salty. And I was a little bit nervous because I had it in the freezer for a long time. Honestly, since I moved in.
Yeah.
But it's the freezer, so who cares, right? But like, I don't know. It was giving, I didn't want it. I would have had some tomatoes if I had any left. I would have put some tomatoes in. I'm gonna mash these up together, and then I'm going to get these and put these in a bowl. So my phone died while I was cooking, but rice, I have the pasta salad, and so this is the eggplant, and I put some red sauce in it, so it's kind of like a Parmesan eggplant type thing that you can put on top of the rice with sweet potato and regular potato. Now I have to take the fox boy out, prep my stuff for tomorrow, and then get ready for bed. Let's go. Okay, I just took Fox out. It's gonna be rainy all freaking week. That's such a bummer. I wanted to do my hair so bad, but then I was like, you know, the curly ones that I did yesterday's vlog. I didn't because I'm gonna run tomorrow 6 miles, and it's just gonna get messed up. 6 miles isn't too bad. I don't really, or that's not true. I sweat a lot. Let me get ready for bed. Listen to some Tate McRae while I take a shower. This is tomorrow's lunch. This is the fridge. I already charged my iPad for tomorrow's run. I packed my lunch. I'm pretty much done with everything for the night. I think I'm just gonna chill, watch some TV until 7 o'clock and then go to bed. Just wanna drink a bunch of water and then head to bed because that fish was so salty. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys tomorrow with another vlog. Bye.